Can God still use you after your life has fallen apart? Ruth had lost everything: her husband, her home, her security. She was a foreign widow in a strange land, scraping together leftovers just to survive. But in Ruth chapter 4, verse 17, the Bible says, the woman living there said, Naomi has a son, and they named him Obed. He was the father of Jesse, the father of David. Think about it. That's right. Ruth, a Moabite outsider, becomes the great-grandmother of King David and part of the lineage of Jesus Christ. This isn't just a nice ending. It's a bold declaration. God doesn't just restore what you lost, He weaves it into His eternal plan. Ruth's faith, her loyalty, her quiet courage, God saw it all, and He honored it by writing her into the story of salvation itself. Maybe you feel like Ruth, forgotten, empty, trying to pick up the pieces. But hear this, God sees you, and He's not finished with your story. What feels like a season of survival may be the beginning of a generational legacy. Your faith today echoes into tomorrow. God took a widow and made her a matriarch. Imagine what He can do when you surrender. So comment, I trust God with my story. Like if you believe that loss isn't the end. Subscribe for more devotions that restore your hope. Share this with someone who needs a reminder that God is still writing your story even when it feels like the end.